Hey, we guys, that's the mental, the Christian of Nas, faith, NASDAQ. Okay, guys, before I continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified once I upload again, guys. So, guys, I'll be back with another video, guys. Remember, today it's actually CPI. So, yeah, guys, I'm just gonna do what I'm just gonna analyze CPI direction with you guys here. Yeah, guys, let's jump to the chart and see what is happening. Remember, guys, we trade with 325. You understand? We trade with 245. And this is one of the best broker to actually trade news. You understand? Because you can actually do what? You can actually enter 10 seconds before the news. You understand? Of which, again, you can be more exposed to open more trades. You understand? Because we have like 245 bonus, micro bonus account. You understand? Then you get more chances of the spike not to take you out. You understand? So yeah, guys, let's jump to the chat and see. Just make sure you click the link on the description of this video, guys. So guys, I'm gonna just show you guys how I actually trade the news, CPIs, NFPs and FOMCs and so on. You understand? So yeah, let's jump to the chat and see. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I actually trade them. Understand? That is why you tend to see me winning most of my fundamentals. Understand? So because I use this strategy, pure prediction, but I actually mixed it with correlation, of which it is one of the easiest thing to actually do when it comes to technical or fundamentals. You need to look out for correlations. Understand? So guys, let's see, guys. I remember when I analyzed, I start with my 1 week time frame. So okay, on this one, guys, how this correlation works, I'm going to start by analyzing Usdjpy. I hope everyone understand. So the direction that I'm gonna see on the Usdjpy, I have to see the same direction on TXY, which is dollar index. Remember, CPI, it is based on dollar itself. Understand? So let's start by analyzing. It's actually 2 hours left for CPI. Understand? Okay, 1 week time frame. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna highlight my highest point. Then I'm gonna come for my current lowest point. I feel like my current one. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, on this one, guys, I forgot. Going the correlation, guys, we need to start with the 1 month time frame. Actually, currencies. When you analyze currency, guys, you need to start with 1 month, because on this one there's more movement that is happening. Even if you can zoom the chart, you can see that this is the same as 1 week of an index. Understand? But on this one, it's 1 month. Understand? So on this one, we have a highest point and current lowest point, which is this point here. Understand? Then from there, we need to understand the structure, obviously, by using trend line. Trend line with the touches. Yeah. So perfectly, so I get to understand that, okay, from there I need to cater places when the market touches the market reverses, of which I call them zones. Guys, this is how I actually analyze my news when I trade news. Actually, any event, guys, like, just make sure you use this kind of strategy. Correlation. This is basically pure prediction. Okay, 1 week time frame. Okay, then on my 1 week time frame, I'm just gonna do what? I'm just gonna identify this point perfectly where the current market is and adjust everything so that I can see where the current market price is. Understand? I get to understand that the current market price is below the certain zone, of which I'm looking for more selling opportunities as the market is below this certain point, because now this point becomes my resistance because the market is below it. You understand? So let me try to actually Okay, I feel like it's okay. That's at that point. Okay, then from there we need to identify the previous trend that was happening, of which it was an uptrend. You understand? So this uptrend, the market giving us a breakout and retest. And I feel like the retest was here. Adjust this one to here, obviously. Then from there we need to move to 1 day time frame. So on my 1 day time frame, guys, I get to understand what I have here. I have the 90%. For now, let me just remove this. I have the 90% that the market has to actually complete. You understand? Which is this point here. You understand? So this point, this is the point that the market has to actually reach, because now the market is giving us a breakout and retest. Okay, guys, the retest is actually here. I see it now. The retest, it's here. So remember here we had an uptrend. You understand? So the market decided to break here, come back to retest, of which the market has to actually complete the 90% here. So we have more sales that's gonna be happening around 2, which is CPI, guys, today. You understand? So look out for more selling opportunities now during CPI. That's how I actually analyze CPIs and NFPs and FOMCs and PPI also. You understand? So guys, here I'm looking forward for more selling opportunities. You understand? On my 1 day time frame. Remember, I get to see the direction on my 1 day time frame, of which now if I see the direction currently on 1 day time frame, I get to understand that this movement is gonna be moving perfectly, so the way I actually predict. You understand? Here I'm looking forward for more selling opportunities. You understand? 4 hour time frame. I'm just gonna end here on 4 hour time frame, because obviously we have like 2 hours left for the market to actually for actually CPI to actually come. Understand? So here, okay, yeah, guys, here this one is perfect. We have more selling opportunities here. So I'ma just jump to DXY. So on DXY, when you analyze, we need to see same that we see on DXY. Understand? I mean on Usdjpy, because obviously these are based on dollar index. Understand? Remember one month time frame. I need to see the same thing again here. I need to see selling opportunities when I analyze here. Because if I don't see any selling opportunities here, which means there's something wrong, I need to reanalyze and see. Because they have to be on the same point because of the correlation. They have to correlate. You understand? Sorry. My current highest point and my current lowest point, first thing. Then obviously I need to cater places when the market touches the market reverses, of which I call them zones. Okay, I need to use the past. Okay, let's see. Okay. I feel like at this point I'm gonna have problems. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's identify our trend, our structure actually, and see. Okay, looking at this one, guys, as you guys can see, below side of the diagonal support, we have first touch, second touch, we don't have third touch. So we believe that the market is to push to the below side to actually complete the third touch rule. But looking at our diagonal resistance, I feel like we have completely first, second, and third. You understand? First touch here, and second touch here, and guys, we have like third touch here. So this is how the structure actually goes. The market was here, came here, went there, came here, went there. Must come here in order for it to actually continue. You understand? So this is how it goes. So from there, 1-day time frame. Okay, looking at the 1-day time frame, guys, we have to adjust there and there and see the current market price, where the market is actually going to. Like here, we need to adjust it furthermore to this point, so it can be more valid. Understand? Okay, with the touches, let's focus on the touches, guys. Okay, I feel like where the market is, actually on the zone, we have more touches. Which keeps this zone valid. Understand? We have more touches on this zone, guys. So okay, we get to understand that this zone is a very strong zone. When you understand this is a zone that is very strong, because if you can look at the past, once the market touches a certain zone, the market have been failing to pass. The market have been giving us more movements. You understand? So of which, if you can come and look at the current market price, the market is below the certain zone. So I'm gonna just highlight it with this, so that all of us can see that now the market is below the certain zone. You understand? So let's focus on the previous trend. We had an uptrend. You understand? So on this uptrend, the market has given us a breakout and a retest. You understand? Same applies to what happened to Usdjpy, which now our correlation makes sense. So here we had a trend that has been happening respecting this trend line. The market decided to break, tested on the straight trend line, come back, break this inner. This is our inner low, or I can say it's our inner low. So the market has broken it. So come back to retest on it. Understand? So the market has to complete the 90%. Remember the 90%, how it is okay. It okay actually once the market actually break our trend. So where the trend, the market is actually broken, where that trend has started, that's where the market is actually has to end. Understand? That we call that point a 90%. A 90% level. Understand? Of which we get to understand that the market is 90% of reaching to that point. Understand? Has 90% chances of reaching to that point. So let's push to 4 hour. So now on the 4 hour time frame, we get to understand that the market is giving us a breakout on the zone and retested on the zone. Remember, this is 4 hour time frame. So this 4 hour time frame, whichever you actually identify on the 4 hour time frame, or the bigger, remember 4 hour time frame is still a bigger time frame. So whatever that you identify on this 4 hour time frame, it is actually strong, man. Understand? So the direction that we actually see currently on 4 hour time frame, we actually see the retest on this zone. So we expect the market to be pushing to the below side. Understand? So of which our direction for CPI on the dollar itself, we're looking for more selling opportunities. Understand? On the dollar. So of which, if we can again put on the correlation, we need to understand that whatever that is against dollar, it needs to buy. Understand? It needs to buy whatever that is against dollar. It needs to buy, and whatever that is based on dollar, it needs to sell. So Usdjpy and DXY, we see selling opportunities. Understand? Unfortunately, guys, that's how we analyze technical, and I get to get it correctly most of the time when I use this strategy. Even though, guys, even if you have your suggestions or whatsoever, but when it comes to my setups, guys, I always go with what my setups tells me. That's why I get to get it most of the time. And even when I enter my trades, I enter with less fear, because I get to actually respect my setups. You understand? I trust my setup, guys. I hope every one of you guys must do the same thing as I do. You guys must trust your setup. So your setups, everything that you actually analyze, make sure you go for it. You understand? Don't doubt yourself. You understand? That is one thing that I actually always I tell myself. I will never doubt on myself, guys. You understand? So guys, this is the CPI direction. Wish you guys best on this one. I wish you guys all the best on this one. If you see this video before CPI, make sure you go for this one. If you believe my setups are also correct, but based on what I see and what I actually almost do, I believe in my setups. You understand? So even if I lose, even if I do what, but I always come back and I always make more profits than I lost. You understand? So guys, yeah guys, make sure you sign up with the best 3245. The link is on the description of this video, guys. Understand? So guys, and one thing I forgot to tell you guys, I'm giving away 2,000 rands to 5 people, of which is gonna be 500 each funded account of 3245. Okay, for you guys to actually enter or stand a chance to win these accounts, you need to sign up with the link on the description of this video, guys. And again, you need to do what? You need to fund any amount of your choice to trade CPI. And again, I give away 2 t-shirts of 3245, obviously. So for you guys to stand a chance to win these 2 t-shirts again, to be delivered in your doorstep, obviously, you need to do what? You need to, okay, I'm gonna give away these 2 t-shirts to those who fund more money. Understand? Those who fund more money, they are standing a chance to actually win again. These are 2 t-shirts. Understand? So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video, guys. Meet you guys on the other side. I'm your mentor, the Christian of Nas, Faith, NASDAQ. Again guys, if you already have an account with 3245, make sure you follow the guidelines on the description of this video, guys. Make sure you actually follow what's on the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, guys. I'm signing out. That's your mentor, the Christian of Nas, Faith, NASDAQ.